What's going on, mi gente? Louis the Boiler Man here. Guys, we're here in Rockville Center, New York. We're actually working on a condenser unit. It's an old R22 system. It's an old Maytag unit. So we get the call and the guy tells us, listen, the breaker's shutting off. So meaning that the indoor unit is turning on, but every time he turns on the breaker, it pops. Sure enough, I get here, the condenser is off. I check everything. So first thing is first, I check this power. Obviously this power, I'm getting 24 volts from the indoor unit to the contactor. So I put that to the side. Now we check the high voltage. But before I check the high voltage, I also check the capacitor, because the capacitor sometimes gives you those type of symptoms. I checked the capacitor, it was a little weak. It's a 60 by 5 microfarad on the hermetic side, which is the compressor. I was getting about 56, a little low, but it'll still work. And then on the fan side, it's supposed to be 5 microfarads. I was getting 4.9, so that tells me it works. So I disconnected the wires going to the compressor, and sure enough, the fan kicks on, everything is good. As soon as we turn on the compressor, it pops. But I take it one step further. I go to the compressor. I have to take this cover physically off, and I go inside the actual condenser. Yes, my fat ass fits in there, so I get inside there. So I got inside there, I checked, and I can see that the actual terminal, the common start and run terminals, is corroded. And of course, when you do a test, a test from the chassis to one of the terminals, you're getting a continuity. That tells you right away you have a dead short in the compressor. You cannot fix it, you gotta replace it. So I gave him the option if he wants to replace the compressor or he wants to replace the system. He has future projects he wants to do and he wants to change things around. So I told him the compressor probably be the best way to go. It makes more sense. So we'll get back to him tomorrow. But guys, this is what it takes to be in the HVAC industry. So if you want to learn more, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell button, and love to hear from you guys. Stay tuned, guys. Woo-wee! Wepa!